Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to enable aim assist in Infinity Ops. If you want to improve your aiming and get better in-game performance in Infinity Ops, then you can enable aim assist. First of all, launch open Infinity Ops game on your device and then make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Once you're in the main lobby screen, tap on the gear or the settings button at the top left corner. This will open up the controls menu from where you need to scroll down and get to aim assist. Check if the aim assist option is enabled. If not, it will be grayed out like this. To turn on aim assist for better aiming in the game, toggle on the button right next to aim assist. Soon after you do this, you can then get back to the main lobby screen and start a battle. You've successfully enabled aim assist in Infinity Ops, giving you a smoother aiming and better gameplay. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.